What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. That Bass Fishing Dude here with another video, and that video is gonna be drop shot day 2. So yeah, I really hope y'all checked out my last video. My first time finesse fishing, man, real confidence booster. My boy the Texas Lizard, Ryan, I'll link his channel down in the description. He put your boy on game. Told your boy how to set up a drop shot rig, best line to use, best weight, everything. Got your boy squared away, and I filmed an awesome video getting on a bunch of dinks. But that's okay, because the dinks need love too. It's extra windy out here, it's cold, and you know what that means? Fall fatties, and that's what I want. I want them big, thick, juicy, sloppy hogs, the big girls. And I feel like they're out there. So we're gonna fish a pond that's at the end of my street that I've been fishing for about 3.5 years, and it's never produced anything more than a dink for me. And any and everybody that I know that's fished this pond has never gotten anything out of it other than a dink. There is some big catfish in there, and I think I saw a really big carp, but I ain't fishing for carp. I want them fall fatties. And I know there's one in there. There's gotta be one in there, and I'm gonna catch her right now. I'm gonna go get that big girl. So yeah, let's go get on some fish. Stay tuned. Oh, that's a decent one too. Oh, wee, that's the biggest bass I've ever caught in this pond. Holy crap. Oh, wow. That is the biggest bass I have ever caught in this pond. Stop. Calm down. That's legit the biggest bass I've ever caught in this pond.
I don't want to touch it.
Huh?
I don't want to touch it.
Yeah. Jeez. I knew there was big ones in here.
Put them back in the water.
Huh?
Put them back in the water.
I'm going to in a minute. Hold on. All right, let's get you back in the water. Yeah, that's legit the biggest bass I've ever caught in this pond. I'm usually only getting the little guys.
Just drop him.
No. Here, watch out. Back up. Here, watch out. Swimming off. Big girl back out into the deep. There's some big ones in here, because that is legit the biggest bass I have ever caught in this pond. I normally only catch little bitty dinks, or nothing at all, because I figured that there wasn't anything in here. Yeah, baby. Oh, there's another bite. Hold on, there's another bite. Yeah, I'm not going to put my feet in the water, baby. Yeah. Oh, there's a bite. So you got it? Not yet. Not yet. patience. Patience is the key to successful drop shotting. Thank you. You're supposed to be finding me a rock. You're not even looking. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's a good one. That is a good fish. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Presley, you're fine, baby. Hush. That's a good fish. That's a solid fish. Ooh, my goodness. Oh, yes. That is a solid, solid fish. Oh, my goodness. Solid fish, man. Oh, my goodness. Look at that, man. There are some thick girls in this pond. Jesus, man. I did not know these big old fish were in here. I have never caught anything in this pond. That's insane. Look at that.
Get the worm out of his mouth.
Okay. Look at that. Big old thick girl, man.
Daddy, don't put him in the grass. Don't put him in the grass, Daddy.
I'm not, baby. What?
Daddy, what do you touch it?
Huh?
I don't know that.
Hold on.
That fish, I just
Watch out.
put him in the grass.
Back up.
I think he's trying to swim.
Huh?
I think he's trying to swim.
Yeah, he's about to swim. Alright, guys. No, not yet, baby. We're going to go in just a minute. I know, baby. We're going to go in a minute.
You didn't bring a truck.
Hmm?
You didn't bring your truck.
I know I didn't bring the truck.
You're silly.
You're silly.
You're all silly.
Oh, there's another bite.
Only tiny rock.
There's another bite.
They're only tiny rock.
Hold on, go look. Got another one. Oh, he's a little bitty guy though. Little guy, it's all right. Pond skip. It's okay. Oh yeah, he's a little bitty dude. Little itty bitty dude. Hey Presley, look, here's a pint-sized bass for you. Hey Presley, come here. You want to see the little bitty guy? Look, it's a little bitty one. You want to hold him? You don't want to hold him? He's little. He's your size. He look like a giant in your hands. You want to hold him? Look, let me show you. He's not going to bite you. Come here. Let me show you. Come here. It's fine. Come here. Hey, are you brave? Are you brave? Come here. Be brave. Let me show you. Look, just like me. See, look, you're going to put your thumb right there just like that. You're going to hold him just like that. You don't want to hold him? I'll put it back on the wall. He's got some pretty color on him. He's going back in. You going to hold him? Here. It's just a fish. Just put your thumb right there. It's okay. And we'll take a picture and send it to Mama. You gonna be brave? Come on, you got it. Just put your thumb right there. Just touch it. You've touched a fish before? All right, I'm putting it back in the water. I see that.
Don't draw him.
Well, I wanted you to hold him, but you were being a scaredy cat. Well, you were sure acting like a scaredy cat.
Kitties are scaredy cats. Kitties are scaredy cats, they run.
Yeah. Well, I don't want you to be a scaredy cat. I want you to be brave, because you're a big girl.
And I just go to the pet house.
Huh?